Hello, I'm Stephanie Agnew with the Mac South Digital Media Center at Mississippi State University Libraries. When you apply for a job, your resume should be as unique as you are. You are more than a template. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own resume easily using Word 365. Let's get started. You will start with a blank document in Word. First, set your margins by going to the Layout tab, choose Margins, Narrow. This will give you a 1/2 inch margin all the way around the document. Now you will use the table feature in Word to serve as placeholders for your text. Go to your Insert tab, over to Table, select 1 column, 2 rows, change your font to Georgia and choose 36 points, center your text, and type first name and last name, all in caps. Select your first name. We're going to change the color to a darker shade of gray. And then we're going to select the last name and bold this. This just adds a little extra emphasis to your name and draws attention. Now you will change your font to Calibri as you are in the second row. A 12-point font size is all you need. You will type your phone number, address, hit the enter key. You can include email, a LinkedIn account, Twitter account, a blog, any other accounts you would want a prospective employer to see. Use the Tab key to create a new row. Use this space to briefly state your career objectives and/or what makes you a step above the rest. Use verbiage from the job description. Now you will move into the area of experience. Use your cursor to click outside of the table and hit the Enter key once. Change your font to Georgia, 14 points, and bold. Type the word experience in all caps. Now go back to your Insert tab and go to Table and choose a 1 column and 2 row table. Go to the Table tab at the top, choose the drop-down border feature, and choose No Border. In the first row of your table, you will use Calibri 11 points and type the dates from and to of the position you held in all caps. Hit the Enter key and type the job title and the company in the position you held. Next, describe your responsibilities and achievements during this position. Now you will move to the area of education. I am a big fan of simplification. In order to achieve that, you will select the word experience. Copy. Click in the location below the table, hit the Enter key to add a space, and then paste. Select the copied text and replace the word education in all caps. Now select the table above by hovering over the plus sign in the top left corner and click. The table is selected. Copy. Click below the word education and paste. You are ready to replace the content in the cells with information about your education. Enter the month and the year of your completion. Next, select the content to replace with the degree earned and the university. Lastly, select the text and add your GPA, any honors, and anything that highlights your academic career. Continue in a new cell to add additional academic degrees. As previously done, copy the word education, Paste it below the table and replace with the word skills. To add your skills, go to the Insert tab, then Table, and create a 2x2 table. Click inside the table and drag through the cells to select. Go to the Layout tab, choose Border and None to remove all lines from the table. Click in the first cell, go to the bullet option at the top of your screen and choose Bullets. Type the skills you have relevant to this job. Tab to each cell to add additional skills. We are almost finished. For your final step, copy the word skills and replace with the word activities. Enter and change your text to Calibri and type any activities you've been involved. You want to list the things that showcase your involvement and how they would complement your skills for the prospective job. Save your document as a Word file and then as a PDF. We have come to the end of building a resume without a template. My hope is you can now understand the usefulness of tables for placing your unique information where you want it to go. Remember, you're more than a template. Happy job hunting.